What up, YouTube? All right, well, today project, I always got some kind of project going on. I'm going to use this stuff I picked up from Lowe's, garage door insulation kit. Now, these garage doors, I actually want to get these garage doors replaced. So let me just talk about that real quick, right? So I had some damage on this one, and so I kind of just wanted to get it replaced, but then I was going to replace both of these. Of course, they need to match. And I did not realize how much these garage doors cost, right? Because I wanted to get some insulated ones. I mean, it was anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 to get something that I wanted, right? And which is crazy. I did not realize how much garage doors cost. So, anyways, the reason why was because I said this one has some damage, so I didn't want to waste money insulating it, which whatever, right? So after I figured out how much they cost, I was like, man, I'm just gonna insulate these and wait and see. I don't know, and just give me some more time to figure out exactly what I want and how much I'm willing to pay. But in the summertime, this garage gets so hot because the sun is directly, it sets over there and it's pointed right at these doors. It just gets intensely hot. And I like to have poker and stuff in my garage. And it's basically, you just can't do it in the summertime. So I'm hoping that this is going to help. I went and bought this from Lowe's. And let me see, it comes with 8 panels. And you have to just cut to fit. But I thought it said the R rating somewhere. I want to say it was an R rating of 8. But anyway, so we're going to get these in there. You can kind of see how you just got to cut it to fit. It comes in 8, so I bought 3 packs. That should be enough because there's 16 panels. I'm guessing these are just typical doors. And then I have 8 panels here. So, and I bought a total of 3 packs, so that's 24. So I can't make any mistakes. But, so we're just going to get it in. And then what I'm probably going to do is just make like an update video later on. And actually, what I was planning on doing is I probably will get it all done. I'm going to leave one panel not done. And then what I'll do is I'll take my temperature gun and then I'll rate, where I did. And then the one panel that I didn't do. And then see the difference. So anyways, I'll just probably put a time lapse up. And then we'll just see how it turns out.
All right. Well, as you can see, this door is done. I mean, honestly, this was a super easy process. I should have done this a long time ago. I even bought some of this foil tape. It's like aluminum tape, whatever. Because I was thinking I was going to have to tape the edges, you know, but honestly, you don't. Not with this stuff. It literally fits right in there. You have to squeeze it in there from top to bottom. Well, I mean, you have to squeeze the whole thing in there, but it just squeezes right in there. So, anyways, I'm just going to, I gotta run somewhere right now, so I'm not gonna be able to finish this other door. I'm gonna do it when I come back. But once I get it all done, like I said, I will leave one of these panels open. I'm waiting for the sun to get on the other side of the house, on this side. And then so maybe we can see a difference. But I don't know how much difference it's gonna make. But I mean, I think it cost me about, if I take that tape back, because I don't even need that, it's about like 150 bucks or something for all of the panels. And it's basically just styrofoam. But if it helps, right? So anyways, let me go do what I gotta do. I'll be back and then we'll finish up the video. All right. Well, as you can see, you know, I got this door done and went together good. I got this door done, completed, except for the one panel because I wanted to do a test with my little infrared thermometer or laser thermometer, whatever that is. But actually, overall, you know, you can kind of see where I first started down here. I'm not sure if you can see like the little wrinkles and stuff, but you know, that was when I first started. And I progressively just got better, you know, as I went. And at the end, you know, it's kind of just like a technique, honestly. You know, you cut it to fit. And then you don't even have to cut the top, you know, or the bottom or whatever. You just got to cut the side because it's made to fit inside this. And so I ordered 3 kits. And you can see I got 4 up, 4 across, 16. And then this door has 8. So 3 kits was perfect for 3-car garage. So that was good. And this overall costed about, I think I ended up paying about $212, but I also had purchased these, and these were, I want to say like $13 a piece. I thought I was going to need these, but honestly, I don't think you really do, you know? I don't know, maybe on your door it might be different, but it's in there tight. And so overall happy with that. So I'm gonna take those back. So that's gonna get me about what, 25 bucks back, something like that. Maybe $30. So this whole thing cost me about 180 bucks, somewhere around there, 200 bucks, whatever. So pretty happy, you know, minimal investment, because like I said, I wanted to replace these doors, but eventually, you know, I guess I will when it becomes more important. We'll see. Anyway, so let's actually take a look at this temperature here. So I got this thermometer here, so let's see what it shows here. Let's see if I can get the camera in there. So that's what, 97. Okay, so let's move up a little bit. I'm hoping that's getting in there. 119, 120, right about 120. And then we got what, 98, 97, 98. So wow. So let's see, what do we got over here? We got 96. Okay, so let's check the big door. Let's see what we got over here. 97, 97. So it looks like right around 97, 98 degrees on the panels that are covered. And then 100, let me see, 121 degrees. You can see here, 121 degrees on the panel that doesn't have anything. So that is pretty substantial, 23 degree, 24 degree difference. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be that much. I was thinking more about 10 degrees, you know. I don't know what the overall effects it's going to have in the environment inside the garage, like the overall temperature, but all I can say is I know it's got to be better, you know. It's got to be better. So, and that sun is not even directly like, you know, in another hour or two, it's going to be more direct. So the difference will probably be even greater. But anyways, this video is probably gonna get kind of long. So, you know, I spent about 180 bucks, 200 bucks, somewhere around there. Insulated both garages using minimal tools. I have my, you know, my little work. I love this bench right here. I've had it for forever. I got it from Lowe's. I just used that, and I had a knife, so you can use a utility knife, and then I had a pencil, and I had a straight edge. I've had this for forever. These things are nice to have. You know, for projects like this, making a nice, clean, straight cut. So this is the last panel right here. So I'm going to pop that on. And we're going to call this job done. But anyways, just a video, like doing stuff for yourself as usual. And, you know, reaping the benefits for the lower costs and the, you know, just the satisfaction of doing things yourself. Okay, a couple of things I forgot to mention. One, without the garage door opener hooked up, I didn't really feel you know, much of a difference in the weight because I was kind of worried about that because of the spring rate. You know, maybe I would have to tighten the spring a little bit, but didn't seem to affect it at all. Another thing was that I didn't realize it until I closed the door is how much more quiet the doors are. Not saying that they're quiet, but let's take a listen. Oops. I guess let's not take a listen. I got something in the way. What do I got in the way over here? Oh. All right. Let's try this again. So see if we can hear the difference. I wish I would have. Now, by no means is that super quiet, but compared to what it was before, because I mean, I'm used to what it sounds like, right? Let's try this other one. I really love the soft close of these garage door openers. Anyways, you know, I know that you guys are probably not used to hearing it, but let me tell you something. The door's way quieter. It sounded like, I don't know, it just sounded terrible, honestly, but it always sounded like that, so it was just normal. Sounds so much better. I could imagine what like a door made insulated and, you know, just a much better door would sound like. But anyways, I just wanted to throw this in there at the end. Time will tell, you know. I mean, honestly, for the price, it's kind of no reason not to do it. But time will tell how much of the benefits will, you know, I will reap from it. But I am probably going to get an AC unit to put a window unit to put in the window and that was the whole purpose of doing this, to try to cool this place down. So when I have my little poker tournaments and stuff in here. So anyways, you know, like I said, this video is getting super long. I'm going to probably try to cut it up and shorten it up or whatever. But I definitely wanted to throw that in there, how much quieter it is. So probably even keeps the noise from the outside out and maybe the noise on the inside in too, you know, or helps anyways. But anyways, we'll see. Signing off. Peace.